Today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two other SteelSeries gaming mouse. By the way, I did the unbox last time already, so these two, I'm not going to open it because this is for resale. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside here. Oh, wow. So I got the three of the gaming mouse. That's a SKU number, and this is the product description. It's $39.99 each. So total is $119.97 plus free shipping, and then the tax. I'm not sure why it didn't show the total amount. So here are the gaming mouse. It's 6 Siege. This is the Black Eyes edition. In case you guys missed my unboxing, I'll try to include the link that's going to show in the description so you guys could check them out. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.